On to the next 2 pages of your journal. Today we are going to be reviewing again, but specifically we're diving into story problems. So lay out your next 2 pages in your table of contents, find your next open spread, and pause if you need more time because we're about to get going. Before we begin, let's just fix another typo in our objective. Sorry guys. It says I can solve multi-digit division word problems. What I meant to say is let's solve multi-step division word problems. We're going to be diving into problems where you do more than one step, which is why we've broken it into step 1 and step 2. Let's start by reading our problem. Gwen has 100 stickers. She decided to equally share her stickers with 5 friends. If Gwen makes 2 new friends, how many more stickers will she need? Circle our numbers and their units. Gwen has 100 stickers. She decided to equally share her stickers with her 5 friends. If Gwen makes 2 new friends, how many more stickers will she need? Underline your question. And let's box the words that pop out to us as clue words. Gwen has 100 stickers. She decided to equally share. That means that she's breaking it and distributing it equally with her 5 friends. If she makes 2 new friends, I'm going to box new to show that they're different friends than the first 5. How many more stickers will she need? Before I even start thinking about her new friends, I want to know how many stickers is Gwen already sharing with the friends that she has. She has 100 stickers. In total. She wants to share it with her 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we want to know how many does each friend get? If we have a whole number and we break it into smaller groups to figure out what's in each group, that's division. Our first step is that we have to divide 100 into 5 equal groups. So let's do that now. Our whole number, our dividend is 100. And 5 is our divisor knocking on the door. Remember our steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, start over. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, start over. Let's start with our first step, divide. 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. 1. I can't break 1 into 5 equal groups. Remember, if the number that's answering the door is smaller than the divisor knocking on the door, we look at the first 2 digits. 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Remember to leave a little placeholder here, a space, and put your number on top of your second digit. Multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. Subtract. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Bring it on down and start over. Now, 0's not our remainder. It's not that we're done. It's that now we have to divide, but we're dividing 0 stickers into 5 groups. If I have 0 stickers to divide in 5 groups, that means that each friend's getting 0 stickers. 0 divided by 5 is, well, 0. 0 times 5 equals, again, 0. 0 subtract 0 equals 0. There's nothing to bring down, which means now I'm done with my problem. Each of her friends can have 20 stickers. So now we have to figure out, if Gwen makes 2 new friends, how many more stickers will she need? So if she knows that each friend gets 20 stickers, and she has 2 new friends, 1 friend, 2 friend, how many more stickers will she need altogether? We have 2 groups of 20, so we're going to solve 20 times 2. Zero times 2 is 0. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 tens, 0 ones is 40. Gwen will need 40 more stickers. Now that our brains are warmed up, let's dive into a word problem that's a little bit trickier. Let's fix some of the typos that are on your note sheet today. First, let's go back into your objective. Remember, it's multi-step division problems today. In your problem, there's a number that I'm going to tell you to fix as we cub out our problem. Gatorades are sold in packages of, your note sheet says 12. Make sure you change it to the number 9. Gatorades are sold in packages of 9. The soccer league's 197 players will each be given 2 bottles. How many packages will the soccer league need to order? To be a beast at word problems, you gotta start off as a cub, circling your numbers. 9. 197 players, 2 bottles. Underline your question, how many packages will the soccer league need to order? Box your math action words. I boxed the word package because that tells me that I will have groups of 9. Each tells me that I'm sharing equally, and packages again to remind me of what my goal is. I need to figure out how many packages the soccer league needs to order. Now, to get my mind around this problem, I know I have to figure out how many packages to order, but I can't really do that until I figure out how many Gatorade bottles will all of the soccer players be drinking if there's 197 of them. So our first step is to take our 197 soccer players and ask ourselves if they each drank 2 bottles, how many bottles of Gatorade are going to be consumed in all? 197 players times 2 water bottles, Gatorade bottles each. 7 times 2 equals 14. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. In all, the soccer league will have 394 bottles of Gatorade consumed. But our question is, how many packages will they need to order? Because there are 9 bottles within each of the packages. If we take our 394 Gatorade bottles that we need and distribute them into packages of 9, how many packages will we need? Our dividend, our whole number, is 394. Our divisor, knocking on the door, is 9. Let's write out our steps. We're going to divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Start over. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Start over. 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9. I can't break 3 things into 9 groups, so I'm going to have to look at the first 2 digits of my number. 39 divided by 9. The closest I can do is 4 groups of 9. Don't forget your placeholder 0. Multiply. 4 times 9 equals 36. And subtract. 39 take away 36 is 3. Bring it on down and start over. Divide. We're going to divide 34 by 9. How many groups of 9 can I pull out of 34 without going over? The most I can do is 3 groups of 9 without going over. 3 times 9 is 27. 34 minus 27. Well, I'm going to have to do some regrouping because there's more on the floor. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 2 equals 0. I have no other numbers to bring down, which means I have no other numbers to start over with. 7 is our remainder. Now, let's look at this very closely. They want to know how many packages that they need to order of Gatorade bottles. I can't say that you need 43 remainder 7 packages of Gatorade. If you walked into Hy-Vee and asked for a remainder 7 package of Gatorade, they're not going to sell that to you. They won't bust open a package and only sell you a few of the bottles. You have to buy the entire package. So that means that if we get 43 entire packages, but we still need 7 more bottles to pass out, we have to buy a whole new package. We need 1 more package. The soccer league will need to order 44 packages. Now let's practice some more 2-step word problems together.